Witam everyone! My name's Sabina, and I, like most of you, live on planet Earth, and I really like it here. I try to enjoy nature and all the amazingness Earth has to offer. Unfortunately, our environment's in pretty rough shape. It can feel overwhelming. With such a big planet, what can we do to make a difference? The truth is, every little bit of care counts, which is why I decided to take action. So, to be a global game changer, I'm taking my talent of science and heart for the environment badge to make some nature-friendly cleaning supplies. Now that's my superpower equation to ignite good. I may be inside right now, but trust me, I can't wait to get outside. I love hanging out at the park with my friends or even just in my backyard. Any time spent in nature and away from electronics is the best in my eyes. I'm also really into science. I made a customized Mars rover in science class and a DIY solar oven that won a contest, which is why I wanted to use my love for science to help the Earth. It might seem counterproductive, but so many store-bought commercial cleaning products contain toxic chemicals that are harmful for the environment. I thought you were one of the good guys, Soap. So today, I'm going to be making a citrus-scented, all-purpose cleaner that can be used on any surface in your house. To get started, I'll need a mix of citrus peels, a quart-sized mason jar, a peeler, white distilled vinegar, unscented liquid Castile soap, a funnel, a measuring cup, a teaspoon, and an unused spray bottle. Also, hot science tip. Make sure whatever spray bottle you're using has never contained any other chemicals before, because you don't want whatever chemicals were in there mixing with your formula and creating a toxic reaction. I want my citrus peels to be as fresh as possible, so I'll peel them from an orange, lemon, and grapefruit. You can infuse your soap with any scent that you like coconut, one of my favorites. There, that should be enough. Then I pack the peels into my mason jar and fill the jar with white vinegar. Now I close the lid shut. I let it infuse in a sunny spot for 2 weeks. So I'll see you in 2 weeks. How'd your 2 weeks go? Anyways, let's check on our jar. I can't wait for my whole house to smell like this. Now, I strain the vinegar into a measuring cup until I have half a cup. The vinegar then goes into my empty spray bottle. Now we're close. I add 1 cup of water into the bottle, followed by 1 teaspoon of Castile soap, which is a natural biodegradable soap. Now for the best part, the all-important shake. Remember to always label your bottles. Otherwise, it could be a totalna katastrofa. That's Polish for total disaster. Remember to always shake the spray before you use it. And after you spray, make sure to wipe it down with a cloth. Actually, I'm noticing HQ could use a little cleaning. There, HQ is nice and clean. I think to save the world, we need to get these out into the world. I've made a bunch of travel-size Sabina sprays. Patent pending. I could sell them too. I've sold lemonade and bracelets before, so I could sell these to help raise money for our environment. And who knows, maybe one day I'll become the CEO of my own green cleaning empire. Now it's your turn. How can you use your talent to help a cause that your heart cares about? Thanks for watching, and remember, you can make the Earth a little bit brighter with an action that ignites good. What's your superpower?